legend. Let's give it up for Mr. Rajiv Reddy.
We will minimum will be double that. Maybe it will be about 4 to 5 million. Yeah. No. You should understand that a lot of banks are also funding the country club memberships. So if the banks and the institutions can see a future in the concept of the country club, especially for the middle class, upper middle class, aspiring classes, and all that, you can understand what homework they would have also done, and you should understand that this is a concept meant for the community. Country club is not elite. Country club is not 5-star. Country club is meant for the community, for the particular aspiring classes, for the middle class, upper middle class, even the rich classes also. But the USP of the country club has been always value for money. And also we have stood by all the traditional functions of the society, like Navratri we are talking about. So इसमें क्या होता है, ज़्यादा मिलना जुलना होता है, and it is you find today हैदराबाद में आए तो आपको पहले ये this kind of exposure was not there. अभी every second person, every third person is in the country club, and he has imbibed the culture of mixing, getting along with the society, and there is a lot of change of perception.
How many cities this will be conducted simultaneously?
In about 10 cities.
And out of Navratri 9 nights, how many nights will be?
All nights.
All
nights.
All nights.
Simran, what are the preparations, your outfits? They look lovely. 9 days is like a lot of planning, and every day is got a color significance. Would you like to share that with us?
Oh, this is beauty, absolutely. So every day is a specific color which is dedicated to the goddess. So every day we have the 9 forms of goddesses, and every day it is dedicated to them. And of course, at the same time, I am a lot multicolor. So I believe in a multicolor, but just because Sir mentioned, Simran, don't repeat your outfit. I wore a different color this time, and that is pink and orange. But usually I'm always something with blue and tones of the multicultural thing. What is more important is the tradition, right from the fabric to the abla, everything is handwork. So इसे बनाने में कम से कम 3 महीने लगते हैं. एक पूरा हाथ से बनाते हैं. Like you see the dupla, every abla is made of handwork. We have a lot of patches, which we use. And I go to Kutch, especially to shop. And I also like to mention, sir, that when I came to Hyderabad, the Hyderabad castle is unbelievable. I had no idea about the Hyderabad castle, which is completely unique. And coming to Bandipur, the wildlife is completely magical. And of course, वहाँ पर भी हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि Hyderabad is of course very, very huge for Navratri. So it's a very special outfit, Parul, this time for Navratri at Hyderabad. And just 3 days back when we were at Hyderabad, the best thing is now that the metro is just outside Country Club. So people don't have to really, get squeezed in the cars. They can aram se come by metro, come there, dress up, enjoy, dance all night long. And, by the grace of the goddesses, by the blessings of Ma Ambe, and really enjoy these 9 nights, and especially in a day and age of today, where Country Club believes कि families को साथ में आना चाहिए. हम सब इतने busy हैं अपने दुनिया में, अपने mobile phones में, अपने life में, अपने gadget में. So Country Club is the only club which gives us this opportunity कि her celebration is in the most magnificent way. So I'm very excited to showcase मेरे इस साल के all 9 outfits are brand new. I'm very excited. Thank you.
Which cities will you be attending in the Navratri?
I'm going to Paris, Dubai, Hyderabad, Country Club Mumbai, Delhi one day at Pondicherry, and 2 days I'm judging here the main rounds.
When you
So
go to Paris, you have the French foreign.
in French, they don't understand English.
So
They speak French, I speak English.
Okay, so they are also participating in.
And they're only French. So I like to give it a mention that I've been the cultural ambassador at Paris, which is 100 years old cultural center. And they were only French people, so nobody speaks English. And they're commenting, they're telling me also they want to reciprocate. They're saying, cuckoo, cuckoo. I said, what does that mean? That means like, good, we had fun doing Garba. So also I've taught them, I've taken workshops, conducted workshops. We've also conducted workshops just the way at Hyderabad initially for Dandiya Garba. We've conducted workshops there, and they all are very excited, right from Bindi to Gagra Choli, Chanya Choli, they wear and the guys, oh my God, they look like Krishna, you know, there. And they also know what the Kedia is. They can't pronounce, of course, but most of them, because they knew, but they like to wear the Indian attire with payal. And I was surprised because I took salwar kameez when I went to Paris, thinking that, when I saw everyone in Chanya Choli, I was like ashamed. I said, oh my God, I should have worn, because I thought they just, it's just a workshop, but even for workshop, they're so well dressed. So it's absolutely a huge honor. And now that it's a part of UNESCO, it's absolutely the pride of our entire country now. And more than that, it has spiritual significance, which is the essence of our country, Bharat, because we are a spiritual country.
मैं कंट्री क्लब की आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं, कितना
जी।
प्राउड फील करती हैं जब ये लोग बोलते हैं कि आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और मैं प्लीज़ मुझे अलाउ कीजिए, मैं ये ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी, सच में मैं दिल से कहती हूँ, लोग नहीं जानते थे पहले, बट ये जो पैंडेमिक था हमारे लिए, कंट्री क्लब के लिए बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिंग था। जहाँ मैंने सर से के साथ डिस्कशन था, 15 मार्च अनाउंस हुआ था दैट यू नो लॉकडाउन है, और 16 मार्च सर ने डिस्कस किया, हमने डिस्कस किया फ़ोन पे, सर ने बोला कंट्री क्लब एट योर डोर स्टेप शुरू करो। मैंने कहा सर आर यू श्योर, लोग कैसे आएंगे, आपकी टीम नहीं है, फ्लायर्स कौन बनाएंगे, यू नो हु विल कम ऑनलाइन, इसे लेट्स ट्राई ना। और सच में पता नहीं था, यहाँ तक कि कनाडा, यूएसए से, साउथ अमेरिका से तो थे, लेकिन जापान के लोग, वी हैव द वीडियो विद अस, हमारे पास वीडियो है, जापान के लोग फेसबुक पे नहीं थे। सो उन्हें पता चला अबाउट कंट्री क्लब एट योर डोर स्टेप योगा, एंड दे जॉइंड फेसबुक, एंड देन दे डिडंट नो इंग्लिश, सो वो ट्रांसलेशन समझ के उधर कमेंट्स भी करते थे, और ट्रांसलेशन करके 60 years, 3 beautiful girls are their friends, ladies, one is 60 years, one lady, she said I've never done yoga, and just because yoga देखकर she reached 5 महीने में doing 60 सूर्य नमस्कार। ये रेस की बात नहीं है, योगा इज जस्ट आप बैठ के चैंटिंग भी करो ना, सिर्फ ब्रीदिंग भी करो ना, और सिर्फ पॉजिटिव भी सोचो, वो भी योग है। बट दिस इज द मिरेकल। एंड सर, हम लाइव गए, सर यू रिमेंबर द जापानीज पीपल, दोज 3 लेडीज, दे लर्नड इंग्लिश, उन्होंने इंग्लिश सीखी जस्ट टू कम्युनिकेट टू अस, एंड वी वर ऑन कॉन कॉल, इट वॉज अ कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल, आदित्य वॉज द वन हु कनेक्टेड अस, यू रिमेंबर आदित्य, एंड उन्होंने दे लिखे पढ़े, आधी इंग्लिश में पढ़ रहे हैं दैट थैंक यू कंट्री क्लब। सो आई थिंक दिस इज द मिरेकल। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है वेयर एवरीवन कनेक्ट्स एंड एवरीवन टीजेस मी, लाइक कंट्री क्लब रॉक्स। सो थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द मीडिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं आपके। प्लीज एंजॉय नवरात्रि, आप सब पारुल दे ऑल कैन कम हियर एंड एंजॉय नवरात्रि विद अस प्लीज। यहाँ पर भी है कांदिवली ऑल्सो, राइट सर? एंड ऑल्सो कांदिवली, अगर आप कांदिवली साइड हैं तो इट्स ऑल्सो कंट्री क्लब कांदिवली। अपने अपने फैमिलीज के साथ आ जाना, आप लोग काम करना, फैमिली खेलेंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे डांडिया करना। थैंक यू, शुक्रिया, नमस्ते।